Columbus Stainless, founded in 1966, is located in Middelburg, Mpumalanga, the province of the rising sun and the heartland of the Ndebele people. We are a major beneficiator of South Africa's mineral riches, and we fit squarely in the chromium beneficiation chain. The annual sales turnover totals over 10 billion rand in local and foreign currency and contributes 0.3% to the South African GDP and 4.7% to the GDP of Mpumalanga. Columbus Stainless is the only technologically advanced, fully integrated, single-site stainless steel producer on the African continent and is a part of the European-based international group, Acerinox. The group has manufacturing facilities in Spain, Algeciras, North American Stainless, situated in Kentucky, USA, Columbus Stainless in South Africa, and the new Baru plant that is situated in Malaysia. The company's mission is to be a globally competitive and a preferred supplier of stainless steel, and the vision of adding stainless quality to life. Columbus's most valuable asset is our skilled employees, who are committed and dedicated in all that they do, and they contribute immensely to the growth and success of the business. Our people make it happen. You will find Columbus employees active in all sports in town. The company employs some of the best minds in the fields of engineering, technical, operations, management, and administrative fields, making them comparable to the international industry. Columbus Stainless primarily employs people with a minimum of 12 years schooling, with a pass in mathematics and science. The company has contributed immensely to support maths and science tuition in the community, as well as career guidance to assist the learners with their subject choices. A culture of learning and continuous improvement is nurtured through development and training of our employees. At Columbus Stainless, safety is a way of life. The company's safety performance is amongst the best in the steel industry. The company lives up to its commitment of being a responsible corporate citizen and has obtained licenses for water use, air emissions, and waste management. Employees are expected to undergo periodic health assessments at the on-site clinic. The Risk Control Department ensures that all risk analysis is done to prevent accidents and incidents. Should an emergency occur, we have highly trained fire and emergency personnel and a fully equipped emergency response service available on site. Columbus Stainless manufactures a wide range of products in austenitics, ferretics, utility and duplex grades used in various applications. Backed by sound technical support, the company is able to make recommendations on suitable material selection as part of customer support. The melting process uses various raw materials such as scrap metals, chrome, liquid chrome, nickel, and molybdenum added together to produce the various types and grades of stainless steel. At the EAF, the raw materials are melted. In the AOD vessel, the metal is refined and decarburized by blowing oxygen, argon, and nitrogen into the steel, with final additions being made at the Ridge Station to bring the stainless steel within international specifications. The refined stainless steel is then processed through a continuous casting machine to produce stainless steel slabs. During the processing of stainless steel, samples are taken and analyzed in the laboratory to ensure that product meets international specifications. Columbus Laboratory is accredited to ISO IEC 17025 international standards. Our accreditation enables Columbus to supply material used to manufacture pressure vessels. The slabs are processed through the slab grinder to remove any possible surface defects and reheated to enable hot rolling. The rougher mill reduces the slab to 25 millimeters and the material is rolled down further in the Steckel mill. Once the predetermined gauge is reached, the material can be coiled or cut into plates. The hot rolled products are annealed and pickled to produce a number one finished product with a white surface. Cold rolling of the number one coils takes place of one of our 4 Sengzimmer mills or Z mills, which produce smooth, shiny finished, cold rolled stainless steel. The material then goes for final annealing and pickling before it is processed through the skin pass mill to ensure a smooth surface. Alternatively, the cold rolled material can be processed to a bright annealed finish. This is achieved by annealing in a vertical bright anneal furnace. The cold rolled stainless steel coils can then be cut into smaller coils or sheets or slit to narrow widths before being packed, containerized and shipped to our customers. The production of stainless steel requires large volumes of water and acids. The waste acids are treated at the effluent treatment plant, neutralized and used in the production of fertilizers that are sold to the farmers. A closed water reticulation system ensures that water is recycled, cleaned through the water treatment plant and reused in the production process. Rainwater is captured in various dams to feed into the reticulation system. A range of finished product in the form of ground and unground slab, black coil, sheet, plate, number one coil, 2B finish, bright annealed coil or slits are sold to customers, locally 30% and internationally 70%. Stainless steel forms a major part of industries where hygienic cleaning standards are required, notably the medical and food processing industries. The automotive industry as a whole consumes large volumes in various applications, notably catalytic converters, automotive trims, and airbag canisters. 3CR12, invented by Columbus in the 1980s, is competitively priced and used extensively to build bus chassis and side panel, as well as in material handling applications such as freight rail wagons and coal bunkers. Stainless steel is the material of choice in the manufacture of brewing tanks and tank containers. In the production of new stainless steels, Columbus recycles some 270,000 tons of mild steel scrap and 148,000 tons of stainless steel scrap annually. Most of the raw materials are sourced in Southern Africa. The company supports the livelihood of 1,300 employees and pays more than 700 million rand in salaries and benefits per annum. Annually, we create more than 250 jobs for young trainees with more than 600 contractors on site. Through its BBBEE program, Columbus Stainless actively promotes doing business with small, medium, and micro enterprises owned or controlled by black entrepreneurs that are able to supply quality products and services in a timely and competitive fashion. Columbus Stainless is proud to have contributed to the development of stainless steel for over 5 decades and will continue to do so as Africa and the whole world continue to grow. Indeed, the future is stainless.